चलो, today topic is chemical bonding. In schedule 2 days are given chemical bonding today and tomorrow. This weekend exam also. This weekend, matlab Thursday exam is atomic structure and chemical bonding, along with Grignard reagent and acidic and basic chemistry. So 1 or 2 questions. चलो, chemical bonding ना. Chemical bonding. So what is meant by chemical bond? Then how many types of chemical bonds are there? Anybody? What is meant by chemical bond? Chemical bond ante what is meant by chemical bond? The attractive force between the two atoms or between the two ions, which binds ions together in a molecule, is nothing but chemical bond. Is nothing but a force of attraction. Achha, force between the two atoms or between the two ions, there may be force of attraction or force of repulsion. Both are possible. Force of attraction dominates, there is a bond. The force of repulsions are dominating, there is no bond. The force of attraction which binds ions together or which binds atoms together in a molecule is nothing but covalent. Achha, sorry, is nothing but chemical bond. Chemical bond may different types of chemical bonds are there. Different types are there. What are different types of? Ionic bond is there, covalent bond is there, hydrogen bonding is also there, metallic bond is also there. Now in each chapter we are going to discuss what first. And the types of, now what are the types of chemical bonds we are going to discuss. Generally we are going to discuss ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond. Of course, coordinate covalent bond is nothing but one of the type of covalent bond, not a special type. अच्छा, covalent bond में क्या है? Coordinate covalent bond में है. इसमें covalent bond में one more bond, day2 bond है. day2 bond. And देखो, चलो once again chemical bonding में types हैं, ionic bond है, covalent bond है, hydrogen bond है. These are three different types of bonds are there. Of course, one more bond also there, metallic bond. One more bond also there, metallic bond. देखो metallic bond. Metallic bond. अच्छा, in simple we are going to discuss. Ionic bond is formed between the what? Between the two, one metal and one non-metal. So ionic bond is formed between what? Between metal and non-metal, right? This bond is formed between metal and non-metal, right? अच्छा, covalent bond is formed between two non-metals. Covalent bond is हमेशा form होता है between the two non-metals. अच्छा, between the two non-metals. Between two non-metals. Between two non-metals. अच्छा, hydrogen bond is formed between less electropositive hydrogen and more electronegative atoms like fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen. अच्छा, this is formed between hydrogen and more En elements like fluorine, like oxygen, like nitrogen. Not chlorine. Chlorine never form hydrogen bonds. अच्छा, metallic bond is found between the two metal atoms. अच्छा, these are found between the two metal atoms. Between two metal atoms. अच्छा, in brief, we are going to discuss in chemical bonding में क्या? आयनिक बॉन्ड है, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, मेटालिक बॉन्ड। अच्छा, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड में वेरियस theories are there. BBT there, MOT there, Vesper theory is there. All theories are in covalent bond. The remaining is isolated. Ionic bond is isolated, hydrogen bonding is isolated, metallic bond is isolated. Majority of the theories are covering in which theory is nothing better. So this is an important. Achha, majority of the our syllabus containing covalent bond. Vesper theory, BBT, MOT, hybridization. Each and everything, all topics are nothing but the covalent bond. So individually we can discuss one by one what are ionic bond and covalent bond, hydrogen bonding and metallic bond. Right? Individually we are going to discuss. So the first point. So my question is why atoms combine together to form a molecule? Anybody? Any reason? Why atoms always combine together to form a molecule? What is the reason? What is the reason? For the stability. Because molecules are more stable when compared to atoms. Achha, how molecules are more stable? Atoms can they're lowering their energy. Which energy? Potential energy. That's why formation of the molecule is always exothermic reactions. Like H plus H gives rise to H2. Achha, delta H is equal to negative. Achha, what they call as lowering of their potential energy under. Lowering energy under. Lowering energy under. Achha, whenever lowering energy, the molecule is more stable. But atoms are not more stable. Atoms are more reactive species. Achha, then my question is how atoms get more stability? By attaining octet configuration. Achha, what is the condition to get octet configuration? Either gain of electron or loss of electron or sharing of electron. Three possibilities there. What do you mean by octet? What do you mean by octet rule? What is octet configuration? And how we will get octet configuration? What are the conditions to get octet configuration? Very simple funda. Very simple funda. Achha, what is the octet is? देखो octet rule क्या है? फर्स्ट octet rule क्या बोलता है? Octet rule क्या? In atom or group of atom or ion, a group of ions having 8 electron in the valence shell are most stable. अच्छा देखो, any atom, an atom or group of atoms or ion or group of ions, nothing but radicals, having 8 electron in the valence shell are most stable. Having 8 electron in the valence shell is most stable. In the valence shell is most stable. चलो okay. अच्छा, 8 electron in valence shell is most stable. How will you get 8 electrons? What are the possibility to get 8 electron in valence shell? Except helium, what I am telling you. Helium, even though 2 electrons are also more stable, it is called doublet. It is called octet. अच्छा चलो. अच्छा, what is the possibility means? First possibility. अच्छा, first possibility, loss of electron. For example, मैंने सोडियम लिया. सोडियम एटॉमिक नंबर 11 है. 2, 8, 1. अच्छा, सोडियम when lose one electron, it becomes more stable because it attains octet configuration. So one thing, loss of electron is possibility to get an octet configuration. One possibility. This is called electrovalency बोलते हैं. Transfer of electron is called electrovalency बोलते हैं. Loss of electron electrovalency बोलते हैं. अच्छा, one more possibility is gain of electron, also possibility to attain octet configuration. अच्छा, gain of electron. देखो for example chlorine है 2, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7. Not only chlorine है, for example oxygen है देखो 2, 6 है. Oxygen requires 2 more electron to attain octet configuration. अच्छा क्लोरीन रिक्वायर्ड वन मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन टू अटेन ऑक्टेट कॉन्फिगरेशन. अच्छा पॉसिबिलिटी लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. अच्छा वन मोर पॉसिबिलिटी शेयरिंग ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. शेयरिंग देखो कैसा, शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. अच्छा वन मोर इज शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Sharing of an electrons. Sharing of electrons. Best example I am telling you. Very best example I am telling you. अच्छा देखो मैंने HF लिया. HF लिया. Hydrogen contribute one electron. U is dot structure. Hydrogen contributing one electron. Fluorine में वैलेंस शेल में कितना है? 7 electrons है फ्लोरीन में. 7 electrons है. अच्छा 2 4 6 7. But here, how fluorine can share the electrons? Actually, sharing of electron. Now, it is called this one. You can see that with reference to fluorine एक electron है. अच्छा, either sharing में और loss of electron में gain of electron में we get octet configuration. Okay, later we discuss in covalent bond में we discuss how many molecules are violating octet rule, how many molecules follow the octet rule. But octet rule, in order to obtain the octet rule, what are the conditions? Either loss of electron or gain of electron or sharing of electron. And by any means, ultimately they can attain electron relation in most. Achha, by any means, any atom or group of molecule try to get 8 electron, either loss of electron or gain of electron or sharing of electron. This is nothing but octet configuration, nothing but octet rule. So any molecule having 8 electron valence shell is most stable according to Lewis. Okay. Now come to the ionic bond. Ionic bond में क्या condition है? So what are the conditions for ionic bond है? So example for ionic bond है and properties of ionic bond we are going to discuss. चलो, this is the introduction part है. What kind of bonds are there in chemical bonding and what is octet configuration? चलो. अच्छा ionic bond. Ionic bond. Other name for ionic bond is ionic electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. Ionic bond है, electrovalent bond. अच्छा देखो, बताओ. अच्छा generally ionic bond is found between what? Metal and. अच्छा चलो. Between metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal, right? Between metal and non-metal. अच्छा, which have more tendency to lose an electron? Metal. Non-metal have more tendency to gain electron. Means very simple है, transfer of electron from metal to non-metal. Transfer of electron from metal to non-metal is nothing but ionic bond. Very simple funda. अच्छा electron transfer है. Electron transfer. Transfer of electron from metal to non-metal. अच्छा देखो, once electrons are transferred from metal to non-metal, metal become positive one. अच्छा shall I write here? Metal become positive. I will write metal become positive. M plus sign. अच्छा for example non-metal में भी halides are non-metals and oxygen is non-metal and hydrogen non-metal है. For example, I can go for halogens. अच्छा which can accept an electron is X minus है. अच्छा देखो, between positive and negative, the force of attraction is very strong. It's called electrostatic force of attraction. The electrostatic force of attraction, which binds ions together in a molecule, is nothing but covalent bond. The strong electrostatic force of attraction, which binds ions together in a molecule, is nothing but ionic bond. मतलब ionic bond is nothing but one type of force of attraction. What type of force of attraction? Electrostatic force of attraction. देखो, in between this electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction which binds ions together in a molecule is nothing but ion. One simple example मैंने. अच्छा सोडियम क्लोराइड, सपोज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. अच्छा सोडियम क्या है? 2,8,1, राइट. अच्छा क्लोरीन क्या है 2,8,7. चलो when sodium atom is more stable to attain 8 electron in the valence system. अच्छा how will get 8 electron? One electron is transferred. One electron is transferred. One electron is transferred. अच्छा transferred है. One electron is transferred. How chlorine gets stability to attain 8 electron in the valence system? To attain 8 electron in the valence system. मतलब क्या है सोडियम का कैसे लिखना सोडियम बिकम सोडियम प्लस हो गया क्लोरीन बिकम Cl माइनस हो गया अच्छा बिटवीन पॉजिटिव आयन नेगेटिव आयन द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन नथिंग बट electrostatic force of attraction only. This is nothing but formation of ionic bond. Formation of ionic bond. Very simple funda formation of ionic bond. So metal have a tendency to lose an electron, whereas non-metal have a tendency to gain electron. So between positive and negative ion, the strong electrostatic force of attraction, which binds ion together in a molecule is called ionic bond. अच्छा ionic bond का मतलब एक strong force of attraction between the ions. चलो मेरा को एक क्वेश्चन है ये आंसर करो Na प्लस प्लीज सर अच्छा ये बताओ NaCl Na plus Cl gives rise to NaCl. अच्छा it is an example for what reaction? It is example for oxidation, reduction, redox, none of the above. अच्छा molecular elementary state में what is oxidation state of the metals or non-metals? Elementary state में 0, uncombined state में 0, isolated state में 0. So here oxidation state of sodium is 0. अच्छा क्लोरीन also 0. combined state में +1 ना. अच्छा क्लोरीन के लिए -1 ना. One can oxidize, another one is reduced. अच्छा both oxidation reduction take place in a chemical reaction is called. अच्छा ये ला क्वेश्चन उतर. Formation of ionic bond is an example for what? Redox reaction. Formation of ionic bond is an example for what? Redox reaction. Because Na plus and Cl minus gives rise to NaCl. This example. Achha, once again, ionic bond formation of condition. Now we are going to discuss condition. What condition? Favorable for the formation of ionic compound. Right? Favorable condition for the formation of ionic bond. What are the favorable conditions? Favorable condition for the formation of ionic bond. Ionic bond form avadaనికి favorable conditions ఏంటి? अच्छा ionic bond form అవ్వాలంటే strong electrostatic force of attraction ఉండాలి. In between cation and anion. अच्छा cation form అవ్వాలంటే metal ఉండాలా non metal ఉండాలా? Metal ఉండాలి. anion form అవ్వాలంటే non metal ఉండాలి. अच्छा where we have to remove the electron very easily? Large size of the cation, small size of the cation. Large. అంటే condition first condition ఏ రాస్తానంటే నేను first condition ఏ రాస్తానంటే large size of the cation ఉండాలి. Size of the cation. అంటే for example నేను cesium తీసుకున్నాను sodium తీసుకున్నాను. Which can form ionic bond very easily? Cesium, because we can remove the electron from cesium very easily when compared to the sodium. मतलब ऐसा आप लिख सकता है condition है. That means Na plus is less tendency than K plus is less tendency than Rb plus less tendency than Cesium and Roscoe. Less tendency. अच्छा, easily can form no doubt metals are, but among the metals which is a more favorable condition for the formation of the cation, Cesium. अच्छा, large size of the cation. अच्छा, large size of the cation. Other condition is low IP value. Then only we can remove the electron very easily. अच्छा దీన్ని మనం ఇంకో కండిషన్ రాసుకోవచ్చు కండిషన్ లార్జ్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యాటయాన్ అనే కాకుండా ఇంకా ఏం చెప్పవచ్చు లో ఐపీ వాల్యూ దెన్ ఓన్లీ వి కెన్ రిమూవ్ ది ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే అటామిక్ రేడియస్ అంటాం అయానిక్ రేడియస్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ అంటారు अच्छा व्हाट अबाउट द चार्ज ऑन द आयन व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑन द आयन अच्छा देखो small charge on the ion, favorable condition for the formation of cation. अच्छा बताओ, ये बताओ, सोडियम आयन है, मैग्नीशियम आयन है, and aluminum आयन है. अच्छा, where you have to remove the electron very easily. One electron remove easy now, two electron easy now, three electron easy. So which can form ionic bond very easily? Sodium. So this is energy. Small charge on the ion is favorable condition for the formation of ionic bond. Ionic compound. अच्छा, one more condition is cations are having inert gas configuration. देखो, cations are having inert gas configuration. Cations having inert gas configuration. अच्छा, these are all inert gas configuration. सोडियम आयन का क्या है? 2,8 है. अच्छा, 2,8 है, 2,8 है. अच्छा, कंडीशन है cations are having inert gas configuration is an example for ionic bond. Example for ionic bond. Ionic bond. Whereas, अच्छा, what is the inert gas configuration? Can you tell the electronic configuration in inert gas के लिए? NH2 NPC, except heat, right? Except heat. But here condition है cations having pseudo inert gas configurations are more favorable for the formation of covalent bond. अच्छा, cations having pseudo inert gas configuration. Pseudo inert gas configuration is a favorable condition for the formation of covalent bond है. अच्छा, covalent bond है. अच्छा, these 2 points are very important. Cations के लिए ये बनता है. Cations are having inert gas configurations, ionic bond है, more favorable. Cations are having pseudo inert gas configurations, covalent bond. I'll tell you example. Some example. I'll tell you some example. अच्छा, देखो, potassium chloride, I can go for it. अच्छा, silver chloride, I can go for it. Very simple one. अच्छा, for conformation conditions are same. Metal and non-metal. Silver also metal है, potassium also metal है. Now, between metal and non-metal, what we said, mostly ionic character. But AgCl में covalent character भी ज्यादा है. AgCl में covalent character भी ज्यादा है. क्यों? सिल्वर Ag प्लस आयन में Ag प्लस 47 एटॉमिक नंबर है. अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन कैसा होता है? 5d10. Strength inversely proportional to ionic character. So you remember. Now come to the lattice energy. What is meant by lattice energy? So ionic bond, ionic bond to lattice energy 140. So what is meant by lattice energy? Lattice energy definition. Anybody? What is meant by lattice energy? Anybody? अच्छा, lattice energy is again nothing but electrostatic force of attraction. The amount of energy required to break 1 mole of ionic solid into its gaseous ions. अच्छा, there are two definitions. We go for first definition. अच्छा, सोडियम क्लोराइड मैंने लिया, सॉलिड सोडियम क्लोराइड. सोडियम gaseous ions and chloride ions gaseous ions. अच्छा, the amount of energy required to break 1 mole of a solid into its gaseous ions. For this process, how much of energy required? That is called lattice energy. 1 point. This is 1 point. Here delta H is equal to positive. Endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Chalo, one more definition also possibility. That is energy. What is the possibility? One more definition. Achha, from Na plus gaseous atom, Cl minus gaseous ions to get NaCl solid. अच्छा, reverse reaction. अच्छा, in order to form 1 mole of a ionic solid from its gaseous ions, Now energy release. Energy release. Delta H is equal to E energy. Achha, both the definitions are correct. Lattice energy. Now in ionic bond area we are using this one. In ionic bond area we can use this one. This is nothing but ionic bond only. Na? The strong electrostatic force of attraction which binds ions together in a molecule is nothing but ionic bond. Achha, between two oppositely charged, Na plus and Cl minus, two gaseous ions, oppositely charged ions, gaseous ions, together you get one molecule, one mole of a substance. So during this process, energy released there. That is energy also. So that is energy represented by U. U is equal to minus nothing but exothermic reaction only. Acha, simply lattice energy ko manam ila represent cheyochu mu directly proportional to Z plus Z minus modulus this one. Divided by RC plus RA whole square. That is energy formula. Acha, this is nothing but what? Force of attraction. अच्छा जी Coulombic force of attraction वो इतना है क्या? अच्छा एक body Q है, another charged body Q2 है. Distance between them is R or D है. So what is the force of attraction? Coulombic force of attraction among these two charged bodies है. F is proportional to क्या है? Q1 Q2 by T square. अच्छा same thing I wrote. That is energy. Two charged bodies है, Na plus Z minus है, Z plus Z minus है. अच्छा distance between them is internuclear distance nothing but bond length होता है. And bond length को मैंने D square राइट में RC plus RA whole square रख सकते. RC plus whole nothing but lattice energy nothing but ionic bond. So it is a part of ionic bond only lattice energy. As suppose lattice energy factor dominating, solubility decreases. The more amount of energy required in order to break a solid, then after that only the solubility is there. Whenever solubility concept है, we can use first definition. अच्छा सोडियम क्लोराइड को वाटर में सॉल्युबल करना, सॉलिड को वाटर में सॉल्युबल करना. क्या करना फर्स्ट मैकेनिज्म क्या है? उसको गैसेस एटम में सेपरेट करना. Then gaseous आंसर is insoluble. Directly solid not soluble in water. First dissociated, that is energy, then hydration energy. If lattice energy more है, less solubility. Hydration energy dominating है, more solubility. So your condition है, this is lattice energy. देखो this is lattice energy. Then condition है, lattice energy is greater than hydration energy, less soluble. अच्छा for your kind of information, 2A group element. अच्छा last grand test examination or weekend examination also one question asked. Beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, barium sulfate. 2A group element like sulfates गाने, carbonates गाने, bicarbonates गाने, halides गाने, solubility top to bottom decreases because of lattice energy. Lattice energy dominating, larger cation, larger anion, very difficult to break it. More lattice energy, solubility less. So this is solubility, lattice energy greater than hydration energy, less soluble, but vice versa. If hydration energy dominating over lattice energy, solubility increases. Solubility concept also they can ask the theoretical question regarding the chemical bond. So lattice energy topic ఉంది కాబట్టి. So ఇలా ఇస్తారు last previous year APFD లో గాని questions ఇలా ఇచ్చారు. ఎలా ఇచ్చారు చూద్దాం. ఒక NAF ఇచ్చారు. ఒక MgO ఇచ్చారు. Like ఒక Al2SO4 taken thrice. अच्छा which is having more lattice energy? Na? Who said NAF? अच्छा NAF. अच्छा my answer is reverse. My answer is reverse. क्यों है? अच्छा देखो या न्यूमरेटर में क्या है Z plus N minus. अच्छा +1 -1. अच्छा mod product is 1 we take a modulus. Magnitude only have to take 1 अच्छा Mg plus 2 and O2 minus. अच्छा product is 4 only. Aluminium plus 3, sulfate is -2. 3 into 6. Aluminium के लिए 3 है, sulfate के लिए 2 है, 6 है. Charge factor dominating when compared to radius factor. If charge factor is same, then you can go for radius factor. If charge factor is same, then you go for radius factor. Understood? So this is a previously asked question, like questions are asked previously, right? Suppose ऐसा question भी पूछता है आपके लिए. अच्छा, now lithium fluoride है, sodium fluoride है, अच्छा potassium fluoride है, अच्छा cesium fluoride ఇలా ఇచ్చారు క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడు అన్ని కూడా ప్రొడక్ట్ సేమ్ है, ప్రొడక్ట్ సేమ్ है, అన్నిట్లో వన్ है ప్రొడక్ట్. Then you can check it the radius. Anion is also same, then go for cation. Cation small size है, more lattice energy, because denominator में होगा more lattice energy. That means lattice energy is greater than this. अच्छा, they will ask like questions. This is nothing but ionic strength. That's why ionic character is inversely proportional to ionic strength. Lattice energy is nothing but ionic strength only. The amount of energy required to break 1 mole of ionic solid into a gaseous ions, one definition. Formation of 1 mole of a solid from this gaseous ion is nothing but lattice energy. But this lattice energy we are using on lattice energy. And how to calculate lattice energy by using Bohr-Haber cycle. Okay, thermodynamics also relation with Bohr-Haber cycle. How to calculate lattice energy? This is lattice energy concept. They are asking the questions. Now, from Bohr-Haber cycle, how can you calculate lattice energy? As thermodynamics, this is nothing but S law. Thermodynamics also get the topic S law. S law. Okay, what is meant by S law? What is meant by S law? The heat of chemical reaction is same whether take place in one step or several steps. Now, lattice energy calculation not direct, indirect method. Bohr-Haber cycle is nothing but non-direct method, indirect method. So how? Suppose I am going to calculate lattice energy of sodium chloride. Lattice energy of sodium chloride. Actually, sodium chloride, how you can directly prepare? Only one step. Sodium solid. Actually, chlorine molecule. Actually, we get sodium chloride. Actually, direct step. Direct step. This is called ETA formation. Actually, thermodynamics total knowledge hona chahiye. What is meant by ETA formation? The formation of a 1 mole of ionic compound from its elements in their standard state is nothing but ETA formation. Actually, this I call as ETA formation delta H upon. ETA formation of NaCl delta H upon. But according to S law, ETA fraction is same whether take place in single step or maybe different steps, several steps. Actually, several steps ఎలా మనం చేస్తాము. Actually, this is single step. Actually, actually, this is practically not possible. Direct solid నుంచి మనకి sodium solid నుంచి NaCl వచ్చింది. Direct not possible. क्यों? Solid में packing fraction is more. Very difficult to separate it. So that's why first we go for solid ని gases గా మార్చుకుంటాం. This is called sublimation అంటాము. Without undergoing liquid state, directly converted into vapor state is called sublimation అంటాము. Actually, sodium solid ని sodium gases గా మార్చుకున్నాను. Delta H1 is nothing but S plus S అంటారు. Sublimation అంటారు. Sublimation always endothermic reaction అంటారు. Sublimation. Actually, మనకి ఇప్పుడు డెఫినేషన్ సోడియం gaseous atom నుంచి ion రావాలి. ఇదే కదా డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ionization energy. The amount of heat energy required to remove the electron from isolated gaseous atom in ground state. Isolated gaseous atom in ground state. Gaseous state లో ఉన్న atom లో నుంచి ఒక electron తీసేటాన్ని IP value అంటాము. So then I go for next step. Acha, sodium gases, because for us very easy to remove the electron gaseous atom rather than solid state. Solid state mein atoms are bind together only. Very difficult to remove the electron, but gaseous state may apart from each other only. You have to easily remove the electron. That's why मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव किया उनसे. अच्छा, ये भी for information, IP values are endothermic reactions. All IP values are endothermic reactions. Of course, second electron affinity is also endothermic, but the first electron affinity always exothermic reactions. अच्छा देखो, Na gases ఇలా రాస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లో నాకు క్లోరిన్ మాలిక్యూల్ నుంచి క్లోరిన్ ఆటం కావాలి. నాకు క్లోరిన్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఉంది, బికాస్ రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ మీద రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ క్లోరిన్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ద అటామిక్ ఫార్మ్. अच्छा, क्लोरीन atom is not possible at room temperature, but chlorine molecule ఉంది, molecule నుంచి atom రావాలి. Because atom have a tendency, no, electron affinity is a క్యారెక్టర్ ఫర్ ఐసోలేటెడ్ ఆటమ్ అన్న. ఈఎన్ వాల్యూ కంబైనింగ్ ఆటమ్ సార్. నాకు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎఫినిటీ రావాలి అంటే Cl మైనస్ రావాలి అంటే Cl ఆటమే రావాలి. Cl మాలిక్యూల్ నుంచి Cl మైనస్ తీసుకురావాలి నేను. ఖచ్చితంగా నాకు Cl ఆటమే కావాలి, Cl మాలిక్యూల్ అయితే కాదు. Cl ఆటమ్ రావాలంటే ఏం చేస్తాను నేను? హాఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకోవాలి నేను. 1 మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకుంటే రాదు. హాఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఏం చేయాలి నేను? డిసోసియేషన్ చేయాలి. అటమైజేషన్ అంటాము, హీట్ ఆఫ్ అటమైజేషన్ అంటాం థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ లో. హీట్ ఆఫ్ అటమైజేషన్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎండోథర్మిక్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాము. అంటే నేనేం చేశాను దీన్ని Cl గ్యాసెస్ ఆటమ్ గా, ఇక్కడ కూడా ΔH3 ని D/2 అంటాను నేను. అచ్చా, dissociation energy also positive. Heat of atomization also endothermic reaction. The amount of energy always required in order to convert a molecule into atoms. Heat of atomization, heat of dissociation, always positive. Now chlorine gases atom nunchi chloride ion రావాలి. అచ్చా, ion రావాలంటే very simple for me. Chlorine gases, క్లోరిన్ గ్యాసెస్ ఆటమ్ నుంచి ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే నాకు క్లోరైడ్ అయాన్ వస్తుంది. ఫర్ యువర్ కైండ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, ఫస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎఫినిటీ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ exothermic reaction. First electron affinity exothermic reaction. So minus E I can write. Now you can see from this step on this step we can see I will write finally I can write Na plus gaseous and Cl minus gaseous. I got NaCl. At delta H5 nothing but lattice energy is negative only. At a single step में lattice energy calculate किया मैंने, multiple steps में lattice energy calculate किया, both are same only. अच्छा, directly A gives rise to D, A to B, B to C, C to D, all are same only. That means from this I will write delta H formation is equal to S plus Ip plus D/2 minus EA minus E. अच्छा, ఒకవేళ ఇన్ కేస్ కొంచెం పేపర్ డిఫికల్టీగా లెందీగా వదలుచుకుంటే వీటిలో ఏదో ఒక ఫ్యాక్టర్ అన్నోన్ ఇచ్చి మిగతాన్ని ఇచ్చేస్తారు. అన్నోన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనుకో. దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఆల్సో. అకార్డింగ్ టు ఎస్ లా, హీట్ ఆఫ్ కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ ఇస్ సేమ్ వెదర్ టేక్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ సింగిల్ స్టెప్ ఆర్ సెవరల్ స్టెప్స్. अच्छा, మనకి అయానిక్ కాంపౌండ్, అయానిక్ బాండ్, ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ అయానిక్ బాండ్, వాట్ ఇస్ ఫేవరబుల్ కండిషన్, దెన్ lattice energy. దీంతో మనకి అయానిక్ బాండ్ అయిపోతుంది. Then I go for covalent bond. Covalent and majority 90% of the our syllabus is covalent bond. Because ionic bond lo em theories levu. Oka formation of lattice energy on ionic bond lo. Covalent bond lo chudandi BBT untadi, MOT untadi, Vesper theory untadi, hybridization untadi. Even hydrogen bonding also come to this all together. Ante manaki 90% of the all syllabus is covalent bond. Only 10% or less than 5% syllabus only ionic bond. Ionic bond లో కండిషన్స్ ఒకటే ఇంపార్టెంట్, రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఓకే, దిస్ అయానిక్ బాండ్ లో ఎక్కువ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా ప్రీవియస్ గా అడిగిన టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే ల్యాటిస్ ఎనర్జీ గురించి అడుగుతారు. అయానిక్ బాండ్ గురించి అందరూ రాసేస్తారు కదా, సింపుల్ గా ఏం అడగరు. ల్యాటిస్ ఎనర్జీ గురించి అడుగుతారు అడిగితే. ఇచ్చిన 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చి విచ్ ఆర్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ మోర్ ల్యాటిస్ ఎనర్జీ. జస్ట్ లైక్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్ వి డిస్కస్ ల్యాటిస్ ఎనర్జీ క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్క్డ్ లైక్ దట్. నౌ వాట్ ఆర్ ది ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ అయానిక్ కాంపౌండ్స్? Ionic compounds are solids or liquids or gases? Ionic compounds are solids because strong force of attraction which binds ions together in a molecule. High melting and boiling point time. Because of same reason, previously in AIMS examination, SSM region, so many times these questions are asked. As ionic solids are conductors or insulators? Ionic solids are insulators because strong force of attraction binds together in a molecule. But in aqueous solution, mein conductors. Aqueous solution में free ions are existing, and ionic compounds are very fast reactions, instantaneous reactions. Like for example, Na plus Cl, NaCl, fraction of seconds में NaCl form होता है. इतना slow नहीं, fast reaction, very fast reactions. That's why ionic compound inorganic chemistry में कोई mechanism नहीं, इसलिए हमको दिक्कत है. Organic chemistry में mechanism है. From after this step, what is this step? There is a probable mechanism is there organic chemistry. Inorganic में नहीं है. अच्छा, for this reactant you are adding this will form, that's it. There is no mechanism. Very fast reaction, instantaneous reactions are taking place. One of the disadvantages, there is no mechanism. Of course మీకు advantage కావచ్చు. Sir, organic లో mechanisms ఉన్నాయి sir, very difficult to but inorganics are very easy అనుకోవచ్చు, but inorganic is very difficult. Everything is memorized only inorganic. right? Because of this reason, and cannot exhibit isomerism. Kada, the bonding of amino isomerism, there is no question of isomerism. Okay, isomorphism ఉంటుంది, there is no isomerism. Isomorphism means both ions are having similar electronic. For example, NaF అని తీసుకున్నారు. NaF లో sodium కి 2,8, fluorine కి 2,8. This is called isomorphism. Ionic compound can exhibit isomorphism but not isomerism. These are the characteristics of ionic compound. Then shall we go for covalent compound? As ionic compound means this is the majority. Majority of the questions are coming from this part only, ionic compounds. Then go for covalent compound. अच्छा कोवलेंट का, अच्छा देखो इन पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन में पॉली स्केल है. अच्छा two elements En value difference decides whether the bond is ionic and covalent. Simply अच्छा XA minus XB greater than 1.7, greater than 1.7. अच्छा some textbook 1.9 also given, greater than or equal to 1.7 ionic character, but exception is there, HF मान. क्यों? हाइड्रोजन फ्लोरीन के लिए 4.0 ना, हाइड्रोजन के लिए कितना है 2.1 है, डिफरेंस क्या है 1.9 है, बट इवन दो इट इज कोवलेंट कंपाउंड, एक्सेप्शन केस है HF वन. रिमेनिंग मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द केसेस లో మనకు XA - XB గ్రేటర్ దాన్ మనకు 1.7 అయితే ionic compound. अच्छा XA - XB less than 1.7 అయితే కోవలెంట్ అంటాం, దీన్ని పోలార్ కోవలెంట్ అంటాం. పోలార్ కోవలెంట్ బాండ్ అంటాం. అంటే పోలార్ కోవలెంట్ బాండ్ అంటే ఎలక్ట్రోనెగేటివ్ డిఫరెన్స్ కెన్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. అలా కాకుండా XA - XB కనుక ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే, XA - XB ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే నాన్ పోలార్ మాలిక్యూల్, ఇస్ కంప్లీట్లీ నాన్ పోలార్ మాలిక్యూల్. अच्छा डिस्कस व्हाट इज नॉन पोलर एंड पोलर है. अच्छा देखो कोवलेंट बॉन्ड इज नथिंग बट इक्वल कंट्रीब्यूशन म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन, इक्वल कंट्रीब्यूशन म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी, नॉट इंडिविजुअल प्रॉपर्टी. आयनिक कंपाउंड के लिए इंडिविजुअल प्रॉपर्टी है. अच्छा सोडियम के लिए 2,8 दिस इंडिविजुअल प्रॉपर्टी है. क्लोरीन 2,8,8 इंडिविजुअल प्रॉपर्टी है. बट यह नो कोई इंडिविजुअल नहीं है, कॉमन है, हमारा है, आपका नहीं, हमारा है. दैट्स इट. दिस इज कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी है, राइट? कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी का मतलब there are two types of bonds are there possible. Covalent, polar covalent है, non polar, polar and non polar. अच्छा polar and non polar. अच्छा polar అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ HF తీసుకున్నాను, ఈ రెండు ఎలిమెంట్స్ మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. నాట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవ్వచ్చు, లెస్ దాన్ 1.7, నాట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవ్వచ్చు, అయితే పోలార్ బాండ్ అంటాం. అంటే ఎలా పోలార్ బాండ్ అంటే చూడండి, మనం ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ బాగా నేర్చుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇది పార్షియల్ నెగిటివ్ చార్జ్ అంటాం, పార్షియల్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ అంటాం. డిఫరెన్స్ కెన్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్, పోలార్ కి దేర్. డైపోల్ మూమెంట్ అంటాము, ఇదే డైపోల్ మూమెంట్. విచ్ కెన్ మెజర్ ది పోలారిటీ ఆఫ్ ది బాండ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ డైపోల్ మూమెంట్ అంటాం. HF కావచ్చు, వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే అమోనియా కావచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా పోలార్ కోవలెంట్ బాండ్స్. అచ్చా CH4 ఆల్సో పోలార్ కోవలెంట్ బాండ్. But net polarity 0 అవుతుంది, that we can discuss later on. But XA - XB difference ఉందా లేదా, that is called polar. But non polar అంటే between the two similar atoms, Cl2, Br2, F2, O2, N2 etc. non polar అంటాం. అంటే XA - XB difference 0 అవుతుంది, purely covalent. There is no other chance. But here charges డెవలప్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి పార్షియల్ అయానిక్ క్యాటర్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. అందుకే ఇది కంప్లీట్ 100% కోవలెంట్ కాదు, ఇది 100% కోవలెంట్ అవుతుంది. 100% అయానిక్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది కానీ 100% కోవలెంట్ ఉంటుంది. అచ్చా ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది, పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ అయానిక్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఫార్ములా బేస్డ్ ఆన్ XA - XB. పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ అయానిక్ క్యారెక్టర్, अच्छा परसेंटेज ऑफ आयनिक कैरेक्टर है, अच्छा 16 into XA - XB plus 3.5 into XA - XB whole square. अच्छा which is not given NCERT, don't worry. but previously asked in AIMS examination only, previously asked. Percentage of ionic character. Acha, in this question they will provide XA is how much, XB is how much. A difference, XA minus XB difference they will provide it. Don't worry, don't mug up the values, sir. They will provide XA, XB values. The only thing you have to remember the formula only. How to find out percentage of ionic character. Acha, there are two formulas are there, percentage of ionic character. Acha, percentage of ionic character can also be determined by using dipole moment mein percentage of ionic character ka one more formula also there, mu observed upon mu calculated into 100. One more formula also there, percentage of ionic character. That we discuss. These two formulas are used in chemical bonding to find out how much percentage of ionic. Rest is a covalent character. Rest is a covalent character, right? Chalo. Now, Fajon's rule, I am going for explaining Fajon's rules. From this, we conclude one point. What are the favorable conditions for ionic bond and covalent bond? Acha, previously also ignore the ionic bond formation. You have to follow the Fajon's rules. Everything is clear. What are the condition, favorable conditions of formation of ionic bond and covalent bond? Chalo. What are the Fajon's rule? What are the Fajon's rule? Fajon's rule क्या है? What is the Fajon's rule? Anybody? Fajon's rule. अच्छा चलो. This is explained polarizing power अंतर. One of the very important property in diagonal relationship of polarizing power अंतर. अच्छा, when two oppositely charged ions approaching each other. अच्छा, no doubt between the two oppositely charged ions, always attraction is there, no doubt. But here suppose anion is very large, cation is very small. The small side the cation have a tendency to attract nearby the anionic cloud. I am telling you one simple example. अच्छा, मैंने लिथियम आयोडाइड इसको लिथियम आयोडाइड. अच्छा, एक लिथियम आयन है, एक आयोडाइड है. अच्छा, both are oppositely charged. So between the two oppositely charged, no doubt at all, always strong electrostatic force of attraction. Because of strong electrostatic force of attraction, both ions coming together. Whenever coming together. Achha, this anion cloud is large, na? I minus electron cloud is large. Electron, this is called electron cloud. I bolte hain, electron cloud. Achha, this is small size. Lithium ion being very small size. Cation. This cation, this anion, small size. Now, lithium ion having some tendency to attract nearby the ionic cloud. Polarizing, deformation, polarization of anionic cloud is possible there. This cloud is slightly polarizable towards a cation. The sharing of electron cloud is taking place. Whenever sharing of electron cloud takes place, it's nothing but covalent character. Sharing is nothing but covalent character. अच्छा, क्या share कर रहा है यहाँ? Electron charge. Electron cloud share कर रहा है. Because of large size, more electron cloud is there. So, being a small size, which can attract nearby the anion cloud is called polarizing power. Polarization. So, cation, small size cation having more polarizing capacity when compared to large size one. Rendu large anukondi, there is no question of polarization. But that is sufficient time. Positive negative charge is sufficient to nullify each other. But being a very small size can attract nearby the anion cloud, high polarizing power only. Whenever polarization means somehow sharing character. Sharing character dominating, which bond is dominating? Covalent bond is dominating. That's why polarization formula, I am giving polarization formula, polarizing power. PP antam. Polarizing power antam. PP antam. Polarizing power, PP antam. Polarizing power, which is equal to ionic charge by ionic radii whole square. Ionic radii whole square. अच्छा, polarizing power एक formula simple. Ionic charge by ionic radii whole square. Ionic radii whole square. अच्छा, condition एवं जब हम covalent compound की, अच्छा, polarizing power is more. Polarizing power is more. ये character covalent character. CC character अंटा. अच्छा, covalent character एपुडे ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందో solubility less అవుతుంది. Sometimes they can ask the objective question है covalent character की and solubility की PP की relation होता है. ఎప్పుడైతే PP పెరిగిందో covalent character పెరుగుతుంది. Ionic solids are easily soluble, like dissolve like. బట్ కోవలెంట్ కాంపౌండ్స్ నాన్ పోలార్ కోవలెంట్ కూడా ఉంటాయి మనకి, బెంజినో, టోలినో, CCl4 నాన్ పోలార్. అచ్చా నాన్ పోలార్ సాల్వెంట్ ఇన్సాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ వాటర్ కదా. సో మనకి కండిషన్ ఏం చెప్తాం, మనకి పోలరైజింగ్ పవర్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, కోవలెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, సాల్యుబిలిటీ డిక్రీజెస్. Solubility decreases. At a simply ऐसा याद करो, PP increases, CC means covalent character increases, at a solubility decreases. Polarizing power increases, CC increases, solubility decreases. Right? चलो यहाँ अच्छा, now from this Fajans rule we conclude one thing. What is conclusion? Covalent character की favorable condition है. Cation అయితే ఎలా ఉండాలి? Cation ఎలా ఉండాలి? Small size of the cation. अच्छा anion large ఉండాలి. anion size, large size of the anion. సో మరి ఛార్జ్ పెరిగితే పీపీ పెరుగుతుంది, ఛార్జ్ పెరిగితే పీపీ పెరుగుతుంది, కోవలెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్ పెరుగుతుంది. ఎలా ఉండాలి? లార్జ్ ఛార్జ్, మోర్ ఛార్జ్ ఆన్ ది అయాన్, హై ఛార్జ్ డెన్సిటీ. దీనికి ఉల్టా ఆలోచించండి, కోవలెంట్ అయానిక్ క్యారెక్టర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇంకో మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం, దీనికి ఉల్టా ఆలోచించండి. అచ్చా ఉల్టా ఇన్ ది సెన్స్, उल्टा इन द सेंस आयनिक कंपाउंड के लिए मैंने ऐसा लिखूंगा, आयनिक कंपाउंड के लिए ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యాటయాన్ అన్నాను, ఇక్కడ లార్జ్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యాటయాన్ అన్నాను. కంపారిటివ్ గా నేర్చుకుని వెరీ ఈజీ. ఇక్కడ లార్జ్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యాటయాన్ అంటాను నేను, లార్జ్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యాటయాన్ అంటాను. అచ్చా ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది యానియాన్ అంటాను, స్మాల్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది యానియాన్ అంటాను. ఇక్కడేమో హై చార్జ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ లో చార్జ్ కావాలి, అంటే పీపీ తక్కువ ఉండాలంటే లో చార్జ్ కావాలి, పీపీ తక్కువ ఉండాలంటే స్మాల్ క్యాటయాన్ సైజ్ ఉండాలి, యానియాన్ సైజ్ తక్కువ ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ స్మాల్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది యానియాన్. సో దెన్ హై చార్జ్ డెన్సిటీ, లో చార్జ్ డెన్సిటీ. अच्छा Fajans rule जैसा ही बनेगा. अच्छा based on Fajans rule previously asked some questions. What questions are I am telling you. अच्छा previous asked questions are there. Which is the more covalent character? Question is asked like NaCl, MgCl2, AlCl3, SiCl4. They asked her the question is which of the following is a more covalent? Recently, I think 2016 or 17. This question asked her which of the following is a more covalent character? अच्छा don't go for period and group है. Cation side देखो. अच्छा Na+ है, Mg+2, Al+3, Si4. Isoelectronic series है. Isoelectronic series लो cation charge పెరిగితే size. अच्छा cation size తగ్గితే covalent character. Which is a more covalent character? अच्छा this is the question previously asked. Covalent character. Ionic character అంటే reverse అవుతుంది. And this covalent character order asked. अच्छा one more question also asked previously. Calcium fluoride है, calcium bromide है, sorry calcium fluoride है, calcium bromide है, calcium iodide. Which is a more ionic character they asked. Which is a more ionic character? अच्छा कैल्शियम इज सेम ना, कंपेयर एनायन साइज ना. देखो लार्ज साइज ऑफ एनायन इज मोर कोवलेंट, वेयर लार्ज साइज ऑफ एनायन इज iodide. So which is more covalent character? Iodide is a more covalent character. अच्छा 1A group element 2A group element में exceptional cases हैं. What are exceptional cases हैं? अच्छा lithium chloride है, beryllium chloride है, slightly covalent character, slightly covalent character, being a between metal and non-metal also. There is no rule for pseudo-antigas configuration for lithium and beryllium. But lithium beryllium में क्या high polarizing capacity है, being a very small size, that's why lithium compounds are different from remaining 1A group compounds. Remaining 1A group elements are ionic nature only, but lithium is slightly covalent character only. Like lithium, magnesium, all these are slightly covalent character ఉంటుంది. చెప్పుకున్నాం lithium chloride, magnesium D-liquescence properties అని. So because the D-liquescence మనకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. So because of this reason, right?